Yo people, how's it going? New video from Passive Passion and Online Income, where in today's video I'm going to be talking on a topic which is related to problem solving. Right, this was a question which I got from one of my mentees, asking in today's times, or in today's contemporary times, how exactly can we become problem solvers? So it was an interesting question, and at the same time an interesting topic, which I thought that I should make a video and talk on. First thing first, now once again, for people who are watching this, let me tell you that this is mainly for entrepreneurs and investors, so I hope you get value out of it. Alright, so problem solving, what exactly is this? It's simple. Problem, how to basically solve problems. You could have it in your personal lives, you could have it in your the place that you go for work, you could have it in the businesses that you own. How can you become a problem solver? The first step to address this is to basically address the problem. Whatever the problem is, try to find out why exactly is the problem happening. What can you do in order to reduce the effect of the problem, thereby eliminating the problem? That has to be your first goal. Work on that and try to eliminate the problem. Period. Now, let's talk about becoming a problem solver in today's times. You see, first and foremost, when anyone thinks of becoming an entrepreneur, thinks of getting started with their own business, the first thing that they think about is, how fast can I earn my money? That's what they think about. If you are a person who's thinking from that perspective, then let me tell you, that's a wrong mentality that you've got, and you need to change that. If you are someone who's thinking of getting into a business or starting a business for the purpose of providing lots of value, thereby solving people's problems, then you're really gonna have fun. You're gonna enjoy the process, and at the same time, your business is also gonna grow 10x. Let's connect this particular subject to the game or to the world of self-publishing business. Now, when I got started with the self-publishing business, I'm being honest with you guys, I wanted to get into it just for the sake of making money. Alright. And hence, I wasn't paying much attention in the quality of the books that I was producing. Quality in the sense, the books were of good topics. They were addressing a certain problem. However, they were very short. And short in the sense, they were only 5,000 to 10,000 words books, And I was doing that mainly because, well, yes, I didn't have enough funds to invest in premium writing service companies at that time. I just wanted to get into the game, test the waters and stuff, So, got into it, started seeing the results, could see that was money. But instead of enhancing, or instead of improving the quality of my products, which were my books, obviously, I started neglecting it. And that's where, and that's when I came across this crunch juncture in the journey of my self-publishing business, where I noticed that people had stopped buying my books. And I also started paying more attention to the negative reviews which some of my books were getting, where people were saying that the books are so short, it looks like some kind of a pamphlet or a brochure, So it could, as annoying as it can be initially, but you see, what happens is we bring a lot of emotions into the table. Do not bring in emotions always. If you're gonna associate your books or your products with your emotions at all times, then you aren't gonna grow as a person. In particularly as a businessman or as an entrepreneur, because you need to be very pragmatic. When I say being pragmatic, you gotta be practical and try to understand how good or what sort of value is your product gonna provide to the customers out in the market. So you gotta think from that perspective. So going back to my books, so I started paying more attention, started focusing more on the quality issues, and I decided that, well, I can already see that there is money in this, but if I am looking for the longevity factor, all right, if that's what my focus is on, then I need to be investing I mean, I need to be stretching my pocket, or I need to be stretching my what do you call it, my expenses in a way wherein I can put out quality products for my customers. And that's what I started doing. I started investing in premium quality books and premium writers who could produce or churn out longer books, like 30,000, 40,000 words book. And the rest is history. Today, I mean, I wouldn't say that things happen in an overnight. As I say, it's always good to learn from mistakes, and that's what I always advise my mentees, you know, to remember. That is, the mistakes which I've already made, I don't want you guys to be making, and hence I'm able to prevent you guys from doing so, thereby helping you guys prevent your time, your highly valued time and money, so that you can focus on the essentials. The same thing. If I've built this successful six-figure publishing business, it's mainly because I have respected my business. I haven't treated it as some sort of fun activity or some sort of fun themed game. And so should you guys be doing the same. You know, you gotta respect any business, not just self-publishing, but any business that you get started with. Respect it. Treat it as if it's your own baby. And when I say treat it as if it's your own baby, you know what the process is all about. Right from the time that you nourish it, you nurture it, you develop it, you condition it. You gotta be involved or be part of each and every facet of the process. So focus on becoming a problem solver, guys. Don't just aim for the money. Aim on how well can you solve people's problems. What can you do differently? What can you do, from a unique perspective, which can help people resolve their issues or resolve their problems. Even with the books, come out with books that can address a certain specific problem. Rather than being too generic with your topic or subtitles, try to be more specific. Thereby build a brand out of it. Build a strong following, so that people start seeing the value in you. People start respecting you and your product. And thereby you just keep crushing it, moving forward. So that was it from this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Right, you guys take care. God bless.